Choose a kit length that matches your installation. If the exact length isn't available, select a longer one. Test your LED strip with the power supply before starting installation. If needed, cut the aluminum channel to your desired length using a saw. Trim the silicon LED strip, if necessary, at the first marked increment shorter than the channel length. Be sure to cut the end opposite the attached wires. Run low voltage 18-gauge wiring to the installation area. Install the aluminum channel along with your tiles, and let the tiles cure before continuing. Secure all connections with butt splice wire connectors and electrical tape. Install the LED strip and end caps, threading the wiring through the profile hole. Apply silicone sealer around the wiring hole to prevent water from passing through. Complete the electrical wiring and install the driver in a dry, easily accessible spot, such as under a sink or in the basement. Enjoy your new modern shower niche.